I am find these photos from Instagram. Okay, now click on the light tab, go to exposure and increase its exposure 0.73 to 75. Click on contrast and increase its contrast is 5. Click on the highlight and highlight is negative 26. 26 is good. Now click on the shadows and the shadow is positive 34. Now click on the white and decrease its white is negative 22. Now click on the black and increase its black is positive 25. Now done. Now you see the effects before and after. Now you click in the color tab and increase its temperature is positive 4. Now click on the tint and increase its tint positive 25. Now click on the vibrance and increase its vibrance is positive 85. Now click on the saturation and decrease its saturation is negative 68. Now click on the color mix and click on the red color and increase its hue, decrease its hue is positive negative 13. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the saturation, increase its saturation just a little bit, positive 2. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the don't touch orange color. Now click on the yellow color and decrease its hue is negative 100 and increase its saturation positive 100. Now click on the green color and decrease its hue negative 100 and increase its saturation negative 100. Now click on the aqua color and decrease its hue negative 100 and increase its saturation negative 100. Now click on the blue color and increase the hue of blue color is positive 6 and the saturation of blue color is just a little bit 8. 8 and 9. 8 and 9 is good. I think 8 is better. That's fine. Okay, all thing is done in color. Now click on the pink color and just touch luminance positive 2. Okay, don't want to any setting with magnetic color. Now click on done. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the effects tab. Now go to clarity. Clarity is positive 100. Now click on the dehaze is positive 33. Okay, now click on the vignette is positive negative 4. Now click on the feather is positive 100. Now click on the grain amount is positive 11. Okay, that's fine. 11 is good. Now click on the split tone and this is the very important part of this editing. Positive 37 and the saturation is 8. Okay, that's done. Positive 37 and the saturation is 8. Okay, now click on the shadows and the shadows is 25. Hue is 25 and the saturation is 28. Okay, now click on the balance tool and decrease its balance is negative 10. Okay, now click on done. Now you see the effects before and after. Now click on this tool and increase its sharpening is positive 90. 90 is good. Now click on the masking tab. Masking is positive 100. Click on the noise reduction. Noise reduction is positive 31. 31 is good. Now click on the color. Noise reduction is only 7, just a little bit. Okay, now all thing is done. Now you see the effects before and after. Okay, now click on 3 dots and save your photos in device. Okay guys, I have made this preset for you If you want to download, check the link in the description. This is absolutely free for you. Click on three dots, copy its settings, go to back and choose your photos. And just paste here. Okay guys, this is my tutorial. If you like this video, please hit a like button and subscribe my channel and don't miss any video. Okay guys, so thanks for watching and meet in the next video. So bye bye.